Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Yes, it is. It's Christmas in July time. I have two wonderful tablescapes I put together today. I hope you're going to enjoy them. This one really was my second choice on the tablescapes. The first one I put together, I wasn't as happy with as this one. But you let me know which one you like the best, number one or number two. But this one here, well, both the tablescapes are going to be free because there's nothing new in either tablescape. You know how much Grandma loves to repurpose and reuse everything she owns and has. So here, let's start with our centerpiece. My centerpiece I am so happy with. I love Mackenzie Childs, as everyone knows. And that's what my centerpiece was. It was that beautiful small flower arrangement, and I got it from Mackenzie Child with a little Mackenzie Child butterfly on it. And then of course the pretty Mackenzie Child little salad plate. Doesn't it look beautiful? And then the tray that it's all setting into is from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And all the beautiful moss I've used multiple times. And of course I love my doilies, and I've had all of them for multiple times. And of course my Christmas trees and the beautiful little Christmas scene that you see on my riser. Everything I thought turned out beautiful. And then of course my white and copper 3-tiered tray. Well, you know I've used that multiple times. Then we're going to go down to my beautiful glass Christmas plates that I got at Home Goods, along with the beautiful coasters under the glasses. And of course my Mackenzie Child's cup and saucer it's setting at each table. And of course my magical spoons to put a little fairy magic into this tablescape. I just love those magical spoons too. Now my daughter bought those online about 4 or 5 months ago, so I couldn't tell you where they came from. But everything is so beautifully put together, I thought. What do you think? Is there something I could have done differently? Like I said, at Christmas time we're going to redo this. And I'm going to turn my Christmas lights on my trees. And I will probably put food in the 3-tiered tray to give it a little bit more pizzazz. But I wanted to share with you Christmas in July, getting ready for Christmas. What do you think? I love those beautiful silver plates that I bought. And of course, my beautiful napkins I've had for years also, and the silverware. They're my everyday silverware. So I just wanted to share with you where I got everything. I think the Christmas trees came from Hobby Lobby, and I think the little thing behind my gnome came from maybe Joann's. Maybe the trees are from Joann. Maybe that's right. I can't remember. I have so many things I buy, and I bought them so long ago. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking and let you just enjoy this display. Well, now it's time for our second tablescape. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Here it is. Let me know which one you like the best.
Good morning to all my awesome friends. It is Christmas in July time, as you can see. What do you think about this one? I thought this one turned out pretty good. Believe it or not, this was a free tablescape. Everything here I've used and had for quite some time. Hope you are enjoying all these Christmas in July tablescapes I'm putting together. These plates, all three of them, none of them are new. They've all been used in past posts. The beautiful riser I got from Home Goods. The red plate I got from Dollar Tree, believe it or not, for $1. And the beautiful snowflake salad plates are from Home Goods also. These were my pride and joy. They are so pretty. I just love them so.